baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What up, my kings and queens? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, back in the building, back in the kingdom, in the castle, in the king's quarters, dropping another video for y'all, man. Gotta get this banger out. So first and foremost, I'd like to get everybody, make sure you hit that subscribe button and rock those bells. You know what I'm saying? So you can be notified and be part of the kingdom. Greatly appreciate everybody for tuning in. And as you read in the title today, the purpose of today's video is I was called out for my Black is Beautiful challenge. I think that's what it is. Yeah. So my Black is Beautiful challenge. So this is where we're gonna give my top 5 black sneakers that I like to rock or that I like in my collection. And let me tell you, this was a hard decision. I was supposed to done this like last week. I got called out by my mans. Make sure that y'all go check out my boy, It's Both Kicks. He's the one that called me out. So your boy had to come answer that challenge. Feel me? So I don't back down. But I like it. I like the reason why we're doing it, and it's for a good cause, man. You know, because black is beautiful. You know, as they say, you know, we just ride like that. So I'm loving it. So I'm definitely gonna do it. I'm definitely finna get it together, man. I'm gonna tell you, man, it was hard, man. It was real hard. I'm not even finna hold y'all. I'm not even finna stunt. It was hard making a decision, trying to narrow them down, man. Just like, shoot, that was just like half the shoes in there. They got some black in it, because the thing is, it's not about an all black shoe, but the shoe has to be predominantly black. So I had to, you know, I had to make some pimp decisions, man. I had to make some pimp decisions. You know what I'm saying? So I had to get it. So the top 5, I'm definitely going to do this. A lot of people I've seen, they've been doing them like no particular order, but I really wanted to try to do mine in the order, some type of order. But at the same time, I wanted to try to give y'all a little flavor and mix it up, because I know there's a lot of people been doing J's, but I've seen a couple people like Feats and Treats. She did some different shoes, you know what I'm saying? She threw some bands in there and stuff like that. So that's kind of where I wanted to do with it. That's kind of where I wanted to do my flavor, is mix it up for y'all, which is another reason why it was so difficult trying to make the decision on the top 5 that I wanted to do with my Black is Beautiful. I actually want to try to do, I think I might try to call everybody out and be like, you know what, part 2, you know what I'm saying? I gotta have a part 2, because everybody has a black sneaker and everybody likes to rock black, and black goes with pretty much anything. And me, the way I like to get my drip and my swag on is I like to have different things. I can have a white shoe, but if I have a all white Jordan or all white Air Max or all white, you know what I'm saying, Air Force One, it's the different things that I like to rock. It just depends on what's going on. Keep the drip right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mimic what my man's did, It's Both Kicks. So what he did was 2 honorable mentions, and that's one thing that I wanted to do, is do 2 honorable mentions. So I got what I got here, what I'm gonna give you guys, but at the same time, I'm gonna do my honorable mentions kind of first, if that makes any sense. So I gotta switch it up. I gotta do a little bit of different here. So one of the first things that I definitely wanted to do, my first honorable mention, hold on. So my first honorable mention, I feel like as a shoe, as a sneakerhead, as a shoe collector, everyone should have a pair of these in their collection. You gotta have a pair of these in your collection. If you don't have a pair of these in your collection, it's just like, what are you doing? But at the same time, I understand if you don't, because some people ain't rocking with them. But, and it's kind of hard to believe that some people don't rock with them. Especially if you rock with J's, you don't rock with these. Okay, I get it. But at the same time, you gotta have a pair of these. And what I'm gonna go in, my first honorable mention is the Bread Toes. You gotta have a pair of these, man. You gotta have a pair of ones in your collection. That's the way I'm rocking with it, and that's the way I feel about it. You gotta have a pair of ones in there. Now these are still DS, because your boy just ain't got around to get rocking these, but you know, you gotta have a pair of some Bread Toes. You know what I'm saying? I like these, and this is an honorable mention because, I mean, I know the shoe, like I said, it doesn't have to be predominantly black, but there's black in the shoe. And one thing about ones, you can rock ones with anything. And when I say anything, I mean, you can rock ones, the boardroom, the bedroom, do what you do, you know what I'm saying? Suits, you can rock ones, shorts, basketball court, wherever. You can always rock a pair of ones. This is a universal shoe, man. So, and I know a lot of y'all be like, damn, why is that an honorable mention? So I got some other things, you know what I'm saying, are kind of like my go-tos. But you gotta have these, man. Gotta have these. I'm just saying. And these boys laced up because the boy had to do it on the feet on these things, man. Gotta have some ones. Just saying. So that's my first honorable mention. Second honorable mention, with the number 5, kind of go-to shoe, and I feel like it's a comfortable shoe. They generally are pretty comfortable, and I gotta give y'all some different swag, different flavor with it. So my number 5 shoe, go-to shoe, is Yeezy V1s. Yes, I went OG with this one. These are classics. You gotta love them, and it's a go-to all-black shoe that you can pretty much rock with anything, man. So, love this shoe. It's a very comfortable shoe. That is gonna be my number 5 shoe. Is that Yeezy V1s? You know what I'm saying? Love these things here. This is the thing that just really kind of started it all, man. You know what I'm saying? That classic Yeezy, man. Do the hook on the back, slide them bad boys on, and get the moving. You know what I'm saying? Get the stepping. So that is my number 5 shoe. All right, cool. Now my number 4 shoe. Let's see if I can put these numbers up here. My number 4 shoe, what I want to do is very comfortable shoe, very durable, very flexible, and I feel like you gotta have at least one pair of these if you're a sneakerhead. At least one. In order to have these, gotta have at least one pair of these. And I feel like this is a really tight shoe, and it's real comfortable, man. Real flexible and durable. Now you think about it, what shoe is flexible and durable besides a Yeezy? Yeah. So if you said foam, that's exactly what it is. But not just any foam, man. I'm busting out them Supreme foams. Your boy gotta bust out that heat, man. The Supreme foams, it's a hot ticket. It's a predominantly black shoe, and it's clean as hell, man. Very comfortable. And who don't love foams, man? The Supreme foam. Get you a pair of pennies and rock them all black shoes, man. Throw you on some gear with that, and these things gonna rock with it, man. Very comfortable shoe. It's gonna pop on the feet, because you know your boy gonna keep the heat. You feeling what I'm saying? So Supreme foams, there it is right there. That is the number, what? That was the number 4 shoe. All right. On to the next one. We're gonna get down to the number 3. Now my number 3 shoe is also a classic. I feel like you gotta have these in the collection, especially if you collecting J's, man. And I know I said that earlier about them Bread Toe ones, but you gotta have these in the collection. And a lot of people don't know, you gotta have these, man. You gotta have a pair of black cement 3s. Black Cement 3s, man. OGs. Gotta have them. Still DS. Gotta have a pair of Black Cement 3s, man. Nike on the butt, because she shake it like that. Black Cement 3s, I feel like these are classics. These are a must-have in the collection. A lot of people may not like the 3, but you gotta respect the 3. A lot of people don't understand that without the 3, you wouldn't have no other Jordan silhouette. And the reason why I say that is because the 1 was successful, as everyone knows. It's one of the hottest shoes out there, and 1s sell more than anything. 2s don't get a lot of love. Now, don't get me wrong, I love 2s. Just certain silhouettes, I mean certain colorways that I can't rock with the 2s, but the 2s are a real comfortable shoe, but they didn't do so well. The 3, the Jordan 3, is what saved Jordan brand. Do your research, man. I'm telling you, Jordan 3, this silhouette is what saved Jordan brand. Because without the 3, it wouldn't even be no more other shoes. Because Jordan was about to leave. He's about to hang it up. Tinker Hatfield and them, they got together and was like, you know what? Came up with the Jordan 3. Clean shoe, man. Clean shoe. Gotta have a pair of these. Classic 3s. Black Cement 3s. Since we're doing Black is Beautiful, Black Cement 3s in the collection. Gotta have them. Alright. Now, what I want to do next is my number 2 shoe. My number 2 go-to shoe. Crazy as it sounds, actually just kind of came back out this year. My number 2 go-to shoe, man. Gotta have it. Bred 4s, man. Bred 4s are a must and a must cop, and I feel like every shoe collector, Jordan heads, gotta have a pair of Breds 4s in their collection. Even if this is not your favorite silhouette, even if you don't rock with the silhouette, gotta have a pair of Bred 4s in the collection, man. And you see your boy be rocking these, man. I'm rocking on stock. Gotta have a pair of Bred 4s in it. I love these things. These are very comfortable. You can just throw these things on with just about anything. So, gotta have these, man. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do, now, is before I come up with my number 1 shoe that I love to rock, I'm gonna come up with my honorable mention. Now, my other honorable mention, and this shoe gets an honorable mention just for the simple fact, it just recently came out, and that's the reason why I'm doing it. My Human Races. Now, these just came out a few weeks ago. These are getting the honorable mention because Human Races are some very super comfortable shoes. And if anybody that knows, or anybody that has a pair, has ever worn a pair, y'all already know the Human Races are super comfortable. Love these things. You know, like I said, they still DS, haven't even rocked these yet. But it's an all black shoe, and you can pretty much rock it with anything. And from what I understand, this colorway sold out way faster than the other ones did. This is a real popular shoe when Pharrell dropped on with these, man. But this is my honorable mention. Granted, I haven't even rocked these yet, but it's an all black shoe, and I can't wait to pull these bad boys out on feet. As a matter of fact, I might just pull these bad boys, rock these. I'm gonna un-DS these things next week, man. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and un-DS these things next week for SneakerCon. SneakerCon Atlanta, I'm gonna be rocking these things. I'm finna un-DS these things. That's where it's gonna go. But this is my honorable mention before I get to my number 1. Hold on. Before I get down to it, like I say, it's one of my go-tos. And it's real comfortable, and it's a predominantly black shoe. So my number 1 go-to shoe, my infrared sixes. My black infrared sixes are one of my go-to shoes. As you can see, man, these starting to get beat. I need to clean them up a bit, man. I haven't worn them. I've tried not to wear them, so I haven't worn them in a while. But my black infrared sixes, I love these things. I loved it when they retro. I actually have these and the older pair. I think it was what, 2012, something like that. I have the other pair. So I definitely had to grab these again, you know what I'm saying? Especially, I like these better because these didn't look as pink as the other ones did. But these are my go-to thing. And the reason why these are my go-to is because I love sixes. It's something about a six. I like the hidden messages in a six, the hidden stuff in six. They're super, super comfortable. You just throw these bad boys on and just roll, you know what I'm saying? So these are my number one go-to shoes, are my infrared sixes. So loving these things, man. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what did y'all like, or if you didn't like, you know what I'm saying, my lineup, which is cool. I get it. That's okay. But this is my lineup, not yours. And if you don't like my lineup, that's fine too. I challenge you to give me your Black is Beautiful, your top 5. So now, there we go with that. So some other people that did get challenged, did get called out. Shouts out to my mans. It's your boy Alias. I believe he's the one who started this, My Black is Beautiful challenge. Shout out to you. Shout out to It's Bo Kicks. Shout out to Me and My Kicks. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Chaotic Kicks. Hey, y'all boys got that. I appreciate that, man. Appreciate y'all showing love. I appreciate you boys, you know, getting it in and including me in the challenge, man. So definitely appreciate that. My Black is Beautiful challenge, I already know what it is. We gonna ride. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about it. Let me know if you rocking with it. And maybe we can see what you guys got going on. You know what I'm saying? So I have no problem doing it. Any other challenges y'all want to challenge out? I mean, I don't have much heat. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Because your boy be on a budget. I ain't got time to be sitting there paying hundreds and thousands of dollars for shoes. So I don't have too much heat. But hey, we're gonna ride with it, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Shout out to everyone that has anything to do with breast cancer. Anybody, any ladies or your females, aunts, uncle. I mean, shout out to any females that are dealing with breast cancer, any breast cancer survivors, anybody that's in your family that has breast cancer or survived. Shout out to y'all. It is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is the reason why I have on the KD shirt. I don't know if y'all can see that. The light's too much light here. But, you know, the boy been rocking that pink. Y'all know y'all rock pink every day this month if you can. You know what I'm saying? But y'all represent, man. Shout out to everybody that's dealing with that. Now, to all my kings, stand up. And all my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing.
When stressing me, coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a pusher on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.